the difference. Color comparison, it's not the same. It's not the Team Fullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to get off my canal. So in today's video, I'm here to do an unboxing. You guys remember my last video? I told you I pick up this blazer from Shane, but I told you guys I also pick up something similar from Zalando, but it's actually from Tommy Hilfiger. And I told you I'm going to open that package as well to show you what I actually have in it, because I haven't really opened the box to see how the blazer look like. So now today I'm here to do unboxing on the package. So this is, I'm trying to hide my entrance, this is the package from Tommy Hilfiger, but it's actually from Zalando. I bought it through Zalando, but of course it's from Tommy Hilfiger. So it's like a really nice coat. I was just looking for a nice blazer to wear. I was going somewhere. I've explained that to you on that Shane video. So I pick up two different blazers. Okay, I can already see that this one, it's a different quality. It's a different color from the one I picked up from Shane. So this is what the blazer look like. This is actually really nice. The color is more on the beige. Beige? I don't know how to call it. Beige. Like the one from Shane, it's a little bit more on the warmer tone. And this one is more like on the cooler tone. This is really nice. So let's do a quick unboxing and let's try it on. This is just a quick video. It's not like a long video because it's just one. Oh. It's just one blazer, so it's not like a super long video. Wow. This is also in 38 UK size 6, US size, no, US size 6, UK size 10. So this is what it looks like. And one thing I love about this is the fact that it has that logo, but you can barely see it. One thing about this thing, also this Tommy Hilfiger logo, you can actually remove it if you want to. It's not compulsory, you can remove, because normally I don't like stuff that have logo on the outside. I like the logo of the brand should be inside, not exposed. It's not something I like. But with this one, it's just little at the back here on the sleeve, like very little, you can barely see it. So I don't mind for this one. And you also have its hair a little bit, but like I said, this one you can actually take it to the tailor. They can loose this and then sew it back nicely if you don't like it. You know, I don't know yet. For now, I haven't wear it yet, and I have to pair it with outfits and see if this color is something I like. Because I also have a blazer from Tommy Hilfiger that also has the same thing, but it was somewhere like at the front where you could see it. So I took it to the tailor and I let them remove it and sew it really nicely. And then the inside I don't mind, but the outside is not something that I'm really fond of. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to test this quickly and show you guys what it looks like. I might also get the one from Shane, and just to show you guys the color comparison with the color. I think let me just get the one from Shane. I have it inside the closet. My closet is so tight. Wow, you guys can see that the difference. Color comparison, it's not the same. It's not the same. I feel like if this came early, if I was going with the same outfit that I planned in my head for the dinner, I would have gone for this one, because this one was a little bit too bright. I can definitely wear this, but I feel like this will be more perfect with all black outfits because of how warm the color is. But I really don't mind. You know, I don't mind having both of them. But I just wanted to show you guys the color so you guys can see that the colors are actually not the same. Put the blazer on and show you guys what it looks like on me. What this blazer is looking like. I really, really like it. I'm in love. I like it. Like, I like it. You know, this is something you can wear in multiple ways. I'll try to see if I can find the price and I'll put it for you guys here. It's a good quality, you know. It's good quality. One thing about I like getting good quality things that I can wear. And I have some clothes that I've purchased that a bit on the a little bit, okay, not expensive, but good qualities, so the price wasn't really that much important. I really like it. I love the material. The material feels really, really nice. It just feels really, really soft. I love the color because the color is also not like super, super bright. And I just love how neutral the color is. The color is very, very neutral. I feel like there's something I can wear to church, to anything, you know. One thing about I love about the stuff that I purchase when I personally purchase things, I want things that I can wear in multiple ways. I can wear this to church, I can wear this to date, I can wear this to any other event so far. And that's one thing I love about these things. And yeah, I love it. So I feel like with this dress, it just complements the dress. You know, the blazer just complement the dress, and I love this mesh, this thing here. I really love this thing underneath this dress. It just makes the dress look so beautiful. Okay, I'm not here to talk about the dress. I'm here to talk about the, I'm just loving the entire look. So yeah, this is it, and I hope you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, I want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly, truly appreciate it. En heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer dit echt. Heb je vragen? Laat me weten in de commentbox. Alle informatie die je nodig hebt staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.